Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. We are pleased to show you the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.